In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up form submission notifications in HubSpot. If your forms power lead capture or support requests, timely notifications help your team respond faster and never miss an inquiry. I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for so notifications go to the right people every time. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website in the results. Sign in to your HubSpot account as you normally would. If you have access to multiple portals, double-check that you're in the correct account for the form you want to update. If you don't see the areas I mentioned next, you may need additional permissions from your admin. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar. Hover to expand the navigation and find the Marketing section. Click Forms. Depending on your navigation, you may see it listed under Lead Capture, but the destination is the same. You'll land on the Forms dashboard, where you can browse recently edited forms, sort by owner, or use the search bar to quickly locate the specific form you want to work on. Select the form you're updating and click Edit to open it in the form editor. At the top of the editor, switch from the Build view to the Options tab. The Options area controls what happens after a submission, including who gets notified, so this is where you'll configure the alerts. Scroll until you find the section labeled Send Submission Notifications to. First, select Users. Use the picker to search by name and add all individual HubSpot users who should receive an email when this form is submitted. Then select Teams. Choosing entire teams ensures coverage if someone is out of office and keeps routing aligned with your internal ownership. Notifications are sent to the email associated with each user's HubSpot profile, so make sure recipients have access to that inbox. To avoid noise, include only the people or teams who truly need these alerts. You can remove anyone you add by mistake before saving. When your recipients look correct, click Update to save your changes in the editor. Think of Update as committing the configuration. Next, click Publish to push these updates live. Publish makes the new notification settings active for all future submissions wherever this form is used. You should see a confirmation that publishing is complete. And that's it. You navigated to Forms, edited your chosen form, set users and teams under Send Submission Notifications to, clicked Update, and then Publish. From now on, the right people will be notified as soon as someone submits that form.